Hey guys, we are VMake Academy. We are here to make your study easy to easier. We make online classes are so effective, interactive, informative, learning. You would be enjoying the learning. We make Academy resolve your study stress. So come and take unique experience with us.
Times.
Close your eyes and imagine. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to imagine now you are flying. Okay. Imagine you are flying way past moon and you can see birds. Are you imagining or not? Vihan, are you
Yes,
imagining?
ma'am.
Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes unless I say so. So now Vihan is flying up above the sky. He can see clouds and birds, and there he goes upwards and he can see moon, and out he comes in the space where he can see earth and sun. Can you see it, Vihan?
Yes, ma'am, I
Now
can.
open your eyes. Open your eyes, Vihan.
Ma'am, open.
Yes. What can you see, Vihan?
Ma'am, it is the earth
And
and the sun.
very nice. The guesses are so right. So, Vihan, what is this? The picture that you can see?
Ma'am, it is the picture of our solar system.
Yes. Vihan, on which planet we live?
Earth,
Very
the
nice.
third most closest planet to the sun.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, Vihan. So, why we call it solar system? Now you tell me. You're done with solar system. Why we call it solar system?
Ma'am, because it is powered up with sun
Very nice.
and the sun have solars that also called rains.
Very nice. Why we call it solar system? Because Vihan, can you see the answer?
We call it solar system because everything in it centered around the sun. Solar means something to do with the sun.
Why we call it solar system, Vihan? The reason is because everything. Can you see all the planets that are revolving?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Sun is the center. Is it? Am I right, Vihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Sun is the center and solar means something to do with the sun. Solar means sun itself.
Sun.
So sun is the center. That's why whole of this thing is called
Solar system.
very nice. Now the next slide. So what does solar system consist of? Now tell me. Solar system में क्या क्या आता है विहान? What comes under the solar system?
8 planets.
Okay, 8 planets and sun.
One star.
That it's not just one star. It's actually the biggest
There are
star. The biggest
star of our solar system.
is, which is the biggest star of the solar system?
Sun.
Very nice. So what comes under the solar system? Sun, 8 planets and
Many stars.
many other stars. And have you heard about asteroids and comets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they too come under the solar system.
They are small rocks in this space.
Very nice. Okay, Vihan, tell me. You say 8 planets come under the solar system. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but there are 9. Pluto is a dwarf planet.
Very nice. Very nice. That's so nice. Now tell me, Vihan, those 8 planets that you were talking about earlier.
Ma'am, they are Mercury,
Yes.
Venus,
Yes.
Earth,
Yes.
Neptune.
Stop. Here you stop, Vihan. You have to tell me all of the 8 planets according to the ascending order, in the correct and systematic order. Okay, Vihan?
Yes, ma'am.
So Vihan, to learn it in the ascending order or in the systematic way, I am giving you a trick. Okay, Vihan?
Okay, ma'am.
Now
Okay,
read
ma'am.
the sentence on the screen. What's written there?
We are my very educated month
Yes. My very
saved
educated,
month.
yes, mother.
Mother.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't see the mother one.
Okay, so now is it visible, Vihan?
No, ma'am.
It's not visible?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, your photo is coming instead of it.
Okay, you should just scroll it right or left. On your screen, scroll it like, you do this on your screen. Maybe it will appear.
Ma'am, I'm doing on it laptop.
Oh, so ask some help from your brother or your mother.
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, I will come in 1 minute.
Okay, Vihan, I'm waiting. Is it done, Vihan?
Yes. Yes, ma'am, I'm done with it. Ma'am, now it is clear.
Very nice. It's clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Vihan, read the sentence.
My very, ma'am, when you have opened your video, ma'am, then it is not visible.
When I have opened my window, it's not visible. What is it, Vihan? Like, it's not visible? The screen?
Ma'am, the screen is visible, but the word mother and one more word is not visible to me.
Okay. What's happening? Okay, let me see.
Ma'am, I have to shift your photo from me.
Vihan,
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
you can see?
Yes, ma'am,
What's written? Tell me.
My very educated mother just saved us nachos and nuts.
Okay. So, Vihan, see here. My very educated mother just served us nachos or nuts. So, Vihan, do you eat nachos?
Yes, ma'am, I love it.
You eat nachos or not?
Yes, ma'am, I love nachos.
Okay, then we'll take nachos here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what's written? Read it again, Vihan.
My very educated mother just served us nachos.
Very nice.
Full stop.
Very nice, Vihan. Now see what you can see on screen that I'm holding this blackboard.
My very educated mother just, ma'am, after just can you slide it down? Served us nachos.
Okay, so Vihan, see here. I am going to take first alphabet of every word. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
First alphabet is
My
alphabet. Alphabet.
M.
Yes. Next alphabet
M.
is
B.
next alphabet is
E.
next alphabet is
M.
next alphabet
J.
next alphabet
S.
Next alphabet.
L, J,
U. It's U for umbrella.
S, S, R, U,
And next alphabet is?
N,
Yes.
Ma,
Now Vihan, see this.
Mercury, Venus, Earth,
Yes.
Mercury,
No. Mercury is done. It's done here. Say again, Vihan. Say again.
Venus,
No. Say again.
Venus, Earth, Mercury, Venus, Earth,
Mars.
Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Very nice. So now you're going to tell me with help of the sentence that's visible on the screen in ascending
Mercury,
order.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn,
Yes.
Uranus,
Yes.
and Neptune.
Very good. Nice, Vihan. Very intelligent. Okay, Vihan. So
Yes, ma'am.
before coming to the next slide, tell me what's the hottest and biggest star in the solar system?
Ma'am, the hottest and the biggest star in the solar system is the sun.
Okay, very nice. So what's in the next slide? It's actually sun. Okay. Can you see it, Vihan?
Sun. The sun is the center of the solar system made of extreme hot gases, provides pulling force that behind
Stop reading it.
solar
Stop
system.
reading it. Stop reading it. Now, Vihan, tell me by yourself. What do you know about sun?
Sun is the hottest and the biggest star of this our solar system,
Okay.
and it is fully made up of hot gases.
Very nice. Very nice.
And it is also a source of heat and light.
Source of?
Source of heat and light.
Yes, I can see Vihan is watching on the screen. Vihan has to tell by himself. What else do you know apart from this? Vihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me what else do you know about sun? Vihan, see me. Vihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what else do you know about sun?
Ma'am, I know about sun.
Yes.
It is a ball of a lava
Very.
type.
See, Vihan, each and everything that you said is right. Now, Vihan, answer my question. Now, I am asking you a question, okay? Okay, so you have to try to answer me.
Yes.
Okay, now that Vihan is so intelligent, I have a question for him. Tell me, Vihan, how is it that every planet stays in its position and they
Ma'am,
and
it
they
is not.
now
Ma'am, it is not.
no,
Ma'am, it is not.
my question. You have to listen to my question, Vihan. Are you listening, Vihan?
Yes, ma'am, I
I can't see you. What's you watching down there?
am. Ma'am.
Okay, so keep your mobile a little bit away from your face so that I can see your whole face. Yes, nice. Now, so Vihan,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me, I am asking you a question. How is it that each and every planet stays in its position and they do not drift off? They stays in its position. They do not just drift off like that. You know, they stays in its position.
Ma'am, they are on their axis, on their orbit. They move on their orbits.
Very nice. That's correct. Can you see the diagram, Vihan, on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So all the planets are on their axis, on their places.
Position.
Yes, on their position, on their places. They do not drift off. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am, they don't drift off, but they move on their axis.
yes, they do move on their axis, but they do not shift their place. They move on their own axis, not on somebody's else. So what's the reason? Which is the force that, let them stay on their own position and take a round on their own axis? What's the force behind?
Ma'am, it is the sun.
Very nice.
It is the sun.
Very nice.
Provides pulling force behind the solar system.
Very nice. Sun is so much important for the solar system, Vihan. We are living on Earth. What is it, Vihan?
Mercury, the nest of sun.
Yes. What do you know about Mercury, Vihan?
Ma'am, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and it is called also the heatest planet of the Earth.
Why it is that?
Ma'am, because it is closest planet to the sun.
Very nice. Now the next slide. It's Venus.
Venus.
Yes. No, don't read it. No, you don't have to read it. First, tell me by yourself. What do you know about Venus?
And Venus is the second most closest planet to the sun.
Very nice. It is considered as Earth's twins. Earth and Venus are considered as twins. And why is that so?
Ma'am, because they look as same.
Yes, because the size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. Venus and Earth, they are very much similar in shape and size, and that's why both of them together, they are called twins. Earth.
Earth is the third most closest planet to the sun, and it is also called a blue planet. It appears from the outer space to third surface of covered by the water. The 71% of the water is on the earth.
Very nice.
Earth is full of 71% of the water.
Very nice. So Vihan and Bhumika live on
Earth.
Very nice, very nice. So tell me, Vihan, why this Earth is called a blue planet?
Ma'am, because it has 71% of water and only 39% of land.
Yes, 2/3 of its surface is covered with water. When you'll see Earth from far behind, you will just see as blue color visible. Am I right, Vihan?
We can't see as green.
Yeah, Mars is called red planet. And do you know, Vihan, where all the scientists, either it's ISRO or it's NASA, they're trying to search if there is life or not on Mars. Are you aware of it?
Ma'am, I think so. There is no life on Mars.
Why do you think so, Vihan?
Ma'am, because it is a red planet.
So, okay.
Ma'am, there is no water. How can life be on a planet that has no water?
No, Vihan, scientists and all the teams are searching for that. If there is water or not, if there is or not.
Alien, ma'am, alien.
Okay, so do you believe in aliens or not?
Ma'am, little bit of them.
Okay, so we are going to the next slide. What is it, Vihan?
Jupiter, the largest planet, called gas giant.
Yes, it's the largest planet among all the planets.
Ma'am, because its size.
Yes,
Because of its size.
Size. Very nice, Vihan, because of its size. And you know what? One fun fact about Jupiter, that if I put you or if I send you through rocket, you can't land on Jupiter.
Ma'am, why?
Because there is
Because it has gases.
Yes, and that's the reason you can't land on it.
Ma'am, if we land on it, we will go between it. We can cross it.
Yes, Vihan, yes. And that's the reason we can't land on it. Now the next slide, Vihan. It's
Saturn. It's famous.
yes.
Ma'am, it is the famous and the beautiful because it has a giant ring
Very,
and it is also a gas giant
very
because
nice.
we can also
Very,
can't land on it.
yes, very nice. That's right, Vihan. That's right. Next slide is
Uranus.
yes.
It has a ring around it but similar than the Saturn covered in blue clouds.
Yes. Now, Vihan, you know, Uranus, it also has rings. Like Saturn, it also has rings, but they are so thin that they are not visible. Uranus is covered in blue clouds. It's covered in blue clouds, and that's why
But
we get this color.
But this solar system is black in color. How there are blue clouds?
Yes, that's very nice question, Vihan. You know, around Uranus, if you see, there are blue clouds surrounding it. And that's why Uranus come us to as in blue color. Even the Neptune is in blue color too because of the gas. It's, you know, there is methane gas. So the next slide we have is Neptune.
Neptune.
Okay.
It also have two rings.
Rings.
18
Yes.
moons.
Yes. It,
And how a planet would have 18 moons?
not 18, Vihan. Neptune has 14 moons. And you know, in other slides,
14.
yes. And in other slides, Vihan, I have not talked or discussed about moons, but other planets too have moons. Okay, Vihan?
Ma'am, the Neptune is the farthest planet
Yes,
from
yes.
the sun.
Okay, so one more fun fact, Vihan. You know, Mercury take 88 days, you know, to complete a circle around sun, around its axis. See the slide, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
So which is the planet that's near to the sun?
Mercury.
Yes. So Mercury take 88 days to complete a full circle around the sun. For example, this is sun, this is Mercury, my finger.
Ma'am, it has small orbit. That's why.
Yes, yes. So because it has small orbit, that's why it takes how many days, Vihan?
88 days. And
Yes.
the Neptune is the farthest planet. That's why it takes more than 1,000 days.
Yes, yes. It takes not more than 1,000 days. It takes many years, Vihan, many years. What's the reason?
Ma'am, because its orbit is big.
Yes, that's the reason it takes so many years. Okay, are you getting it, Vihan?
Yes, ma'am, I'm getting it clear.
Yes. And so we were on the last slide, that was Neptune. It also has blue color, Vihan, but it has dark blue color. Can you see it, Vihan?
Yes, ma'am, I can see it.
This is Neptune. We are done with this. Something else that you want to ask, Vihan?
No, ma'am. No doubts.
You sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are done with this subject.